Okay children, next topic is sign convention for lenses. Okay, so in case of lenses, suppose these are the lens and O is the optical center. So in the lenses, all the distances are measured from the optical center. Okay, if we have to calculate U, object distance, image distance, focal length, then everything will be measured from O, and O is considered as origin. Okay, all the distances towards the left side of O, they are considered as negative. Right side of O, it is positive. Above the principal axis, the distances are positive, and below the principal axis, they are negative. It is similar to the mirrors. Okay, now if you consider the sign of U, then the sign of U is always negative because object is always kept on this side. Okay, you have studied the image formation, so in all the cases we have kept the object in this side for this lens also and for the concave lens also. Okay, so U is always negative. Now F, focal length, it will be negative for concave lens and positive for convex lens. Why so? If you look at here, then the rays which are coming parallel to the principal axis, after refraction from the convex lens, it will converge at a point. It is the principal focus. Okay, F2. Then it lies towards the right side. So this distance, focal length, will be positive because it is right side of this origin or optical center. Okay, that's why it is positive in case of convex lens. And here the rays coming parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they will diverge, but they appear to meet here. Okay, at the principal focus, second principal focus F2. Here F2 is in the left side of optical center. That's why here the focal length will be negative. Okay, so focal length will be negative for concave lens and focal length will be positive for convex lens. Okay, so F will be negative for concave and positive for convex. Now the third one is the sign of V, image distance. Okay, you know that in all the cases, in all 5 cases in convex lens, the image is real and inverted, and in all the cases the image will be formed towards this side. You know? So for real inverted image, the image will be the sign of V will be positive. So V will be positive for real image and it will be negative for virtual image. Here in this case, in case of concave, the image is virtual in both the cases, and in both the cases image is formed towards this side, left side. That's why it is negative. In case of convex, in last case, when the object is placed between O and F, then the image will be formed on the same side. So again it will be this side. So virtual image is always formed on the same side of the object. That's why the sign of V will be negative for the virtual image. So this is all about sign convention.